This is going to be a quick video to show you how to work with the layers in Affinity Photo. You notice over here first you have a layers panel on this tab right here. And on these layers you can, let's look at the red square here, you can turn them on and off just simply by checking these boxes. Now you can select a layer just by clicking on the layer, and you'll notice the red one's selected, or the orange, or the blue, or the logo. And you can move around the selected layer that way. You can also just click on the layer object and move it around. Now let's show you the stacking order for layers. So if we put all these, we can move them, we can stack them. And you'll notice something though, that this blue one here, if I move it down, it's behind the red one. And the reason for this is because the red one's on top of the blue one. So if I wanted the blue one to be on top of the red, I would need to move it up. And now it's on top. And let's say I wanted the blue one on top of them all. Because if I were to move it down here, you'll notice it's still behind the Affinity logo because the Affinity logo is on top. I can just move the blue one. I can just move the blue one to the top like that. Now it's on top of the Affinity logo. So you can stack these around however you want. You can adjust what's going to be on top, what's going to be on bottom, so forth and so on. And you can select all. You can select all of them and move them around like this. Whoops, I didn't get the blue one, did I? Move them all around. You can also group them. And now, when you select the group, it selects them all. So I'm going to ungroup this. And now I'm going to restack. That's all there is to working with layers. So if this has helped you, how about leaving a like, a comment, subscribe. You have a good day.